Good day, everyone. I am Alvin O. Insorio, and together with my wife, Jorelyn E. Insorio, it is our honor to present to you our action research titled Messenger Lectures and Video Lesson as Mathematics Intervention for Modular Distance Learning. The provision of self-learning modules and other printed materials in modular distance learning does not guarantee the acquisition of learning competencies, particularly in mathematics. To address this, Messenger was used as a platform to communicate with the students and deliver interventions like lectures through posting slides with voice clips and video lessons. This study aimed to determine the effectiveness of messenger lectures and video lessons for grade 7 mathematics using practical action research. The study leaned on the cognitive theory of multimedia learning, which posits that combining words and pictures in video with sounds produces deep learning. The study flow is under the Plan, Do, Study, Act or PDSA model. In this study, the first researcher was an outsider who had no contact with the student participants. Only the second researcher was a teacher who implemented the intervention for her students. Hence, the outsider researcher was responsible for data analysis and making research report to avoid biases. The study used 30-item test material for pre-test and post-test, a 7-item structured survey questionnaire, and a 5-item interview guide questions as research instrument validated by a master teacher and 2 head teachers in mathematics department to establish the phase and content validity. Data were treated with SPSS version 23 for quantitative and manual coding for thematic analysis in qualitative data. Based on the findings, students develop mathematics competencies as shown by the result of examination and survey. Messenger lectures and video lessons help the student understand mathematics concept and procedure for solving mathematics problems. The messenger lectures and video lessons made the learning easy and understandable because their teacher was the one who explained the lesson. The lecture and video lesson by a messenger were adequate for the student to cope with the learning challenges in mathematics brought by modular distance learning. That's all. Thank you and God bless.